This is my first event with WMF, and I'm very impressed. Everything is very well organized. I met lots of key vendors and other associates that I did not think that I would ever meet in person. So thank you WMF for hosting this event and making all possible. We've been selling Punta Cana in a small groups, but WMF showed us Punta Cana the way I had never seen before. Lots of hidden, venues, and overall, it's a fantastic experience. And I would love to host an event in Punta Cana. And I'm also looking for other WMF events in other part of the world. Thank you very much. The first keynote speaker talked about so much in general where the industry heading and what changes to expect. So Gen Z that he talked about was very informative as well. Most of us are so busy in our daily routine that we don't really think about what's coming our way in the future. So that was really, really helpful. I believe in Dominican Republic.